Our planet is in crisis. Climate change, pollution, deforestation, these aren't distant warnings anymore. They're right here, affecting our air, water, and lives. But in the face of this environmental emergency, a powerful new ally is rising: artificial intelligence. Could AI be the game changer we've been waiting for? Let's find out. Every year, millions of acres of forests vanish. Oceans fill with plastic. Temperatures break records. These are not isolated events, they're part of a dangerous global trend. We've tried policies, protests, and pledges. Still, progress is slow. We need smarter, faster action. That's where artificial intelligence, or AI, steps in. AI is being used to track illegal deforestation in real time using satellite data. In cities, smart systems control traffic and reduce air pollution. Even in farming, AI predicts weather patterns, improves crop yield, and reduces waste, all helping us protect natural resources. But AI isn't just for labs and satellites, it's also in your hands. Eco-friendly apps now help you measure your carbon footprint, suggest green actions, and even track your recycling habits. You can now plant a tree with a tap, or choose a greener route to work, guided by AI. Together, small actions from millions of people can create big change. In cities, AI controls traffic systems to reduce pollution and fuel waste. Smart energy grids powered by AI learn and adapt to use cleaner power when available. In farming, AI tools analyze soil, predict weather, and reduce the need for chemicals, helping farmers grow more with less damage to the land. Even oceans benefit. Underwater drones powered by AI locate and collect plastic waste, while machine learning models track endangered species to protect them. AI alone won't save the planet, but it gives us powerful tools to act smarter, faster, and more sustainably. If we combine human will with artificial intelligence, the future doesn't have to be dark. It can be green, bright, and full of hope. Join us at Eco AI, and be part of the change.